Hello, so today we are going to solve this example, which is related to exponents. Yeah, do you see this here? Yeah. Yeah. So the example is all about negative exponents. So what you're going to do, once you look at the example, just a second, yeah, there is a spotlight here. So this example, this has a negative exponent. So before we start solving this example, you should be knowing some exponent laws. One of them is this, which is applicable to this example. So that law is that if your fraction has a negative exponent, how do we solve that? Let me write down that law here. If it is a over b to the power of negative n, then by using the negative exponent law of exponents, you can rewrite this as b over a to the power of n. Okay, so by using this law, you can rewrite all these numbers term-wise. So let's say this is first part which we want to rewrite. So you want to rewrite 1/2 to the negative 2. So by using this formula, by applying this rule here, can we rewrite this part as 2 to the power of 2? Yes or no? We just swapped this. See what we are doing here to rewrite this with a positive exponent is that you swapped, you flipped a over b as b over a, and you wrote the opposite sign of negative n, which is positive n. Same you'll be doing here. You will flip 1 over 2, that can be 2 over 1. So you need not to write it as 2 over 1, that can be only 2. And the positive opposite sign of negative 2 is 2. So it becomes 2 to the power of 2. Similarly, let's rewrite the third term, second term, which is this, not third, second term, which is this. And yeah, so we can rewrite 1/3 to the power of negative 2 as, tell me, what will you be writing it as? You'll be flipping 1 over 3, that becomes 3 over 1, which is nothing but 3. And opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So here, similarly, the third term is this, and we can rewrite that as 1/4 of negative 2 can be written as, flip 1/4, which is 4 over 1, so only 4, and opposite of negative 2 will be 2. Okay, so we have rewritten every fractional exponent. Do you see it here? Yeah, every fractional exponent we have rewritten by using this law of exponent, and now we'll be just replacing them here. So we can rewrite this part as, let me rewrite that here in green, as 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. Do you get that? Instead of writing 1/2 to negative 2, we just replace it by 2 squared, this by 3 squared, this by 4 squared. Okay, so let's write down the numbers then. Okay, so 2 squared is nothing but 4, 3 squared is nothing but 9, 4 squared is nothing but 16. You should be knowing that 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 9 is 29. So this should be your final answer for this exponent. Yeah, this is how we solve. I hope you understood how do we apply the negative exponent law. If any questions do you have, or any other questions you want me to explain, please comment. Thank you so much.